We're going to look at a plugin called xss mem at this point. And what xss mem does is it gives us the ability to take some of the tedium out of doing testing for cross-site scripting. So cross-site scripting, there are a lot of ways of doing a cross-site scripting attack, lots of permutations, lots of different ways of structuring the data and reformatting it so that we can get around various web application firewalls, for example. So what I want to do here is bring up the xss mem sidebar in Firefox. And there are some different things that I can do here. One of the things is I could just do some changes to a particular field here. So I've got a field on my page and I can select a particular type of attack. Once I've selected the attack that I actually want to try, I just hit enter here in this box and it pops it up into the field that I want to check. So I can now just click the submit button there, and now I've just tested that particular field for that particular type of attack. Now, going through those, there's some value in not having to do all of the typing, of course, but what I may want to do is just test all of the forms. So I can test all forms with top attacks, and that's going to check all of the forms and all of the fields on that particular page with the various types of cross-site scripting attacks that xss mem knows about. So it's going to run all of the tests for me in an automated fashion. Now, automated attacks or automated testing isn't really all there is to it. I can't just run this xss mem and say, hey, guess what? I've done some cross-site scripting. It's still going to take some manual checking on the other end. But what this does is it gives me some pointers into some fields on the page that may present me with more opportunities than others. So, for example, this field right here suggests that there may be some possibility with this field to do some cross-site scripting. Now, I can't just trust the results because it's really just doing a blind look for some piece of data in the response, which doesn't guarantee that the page is open to cross-site scripting. But it does give me some shortcuts in terms of being able to quickly eliminate some fields that probably don't give us a lot of opportunity for attack. So we've got some narrowing down of the attack vectors on a particular page, and certainly there's some value to that, particularly with how quickly it ran through all of those tests. So we can quickly eliminate some fields and maybe get pointers to other fields on a page that are going to give us more results maybe more quickly.